Hey everybody! I hope everybody's having a great day. So let's go ahead and talk about bar graphs. Well, bar graphs are a way that you can show how fractions can be split up. It's just a representation in a picture. So let's talk about bar graphs. Now, I have a bar graph here, and I'm going to just make up a fraction, which is 3/4. Now, with 3/4, what you need to understand is the bottom number tells you how many to split it up into, the actual rectangle. Then the actual top number, which is the numerator, tells you how many to color. So how many to color? Now, this is why it's such an awesome thing to know which one's which, because then you don't have to put any guesswork into it. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and split this up into 4 equal parts. And as you all know, Miss Bradshaw's not very good about splitting up things equally. So let's see how this goes. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now granted, I know it's not very much equal parts, but it'll work for right now. So I've split it up into 4 equal parts. Now I look at my numerator, and it tells me I need to split it up into, or I need to color in 3 of those 4 parts. So let's color in 3 of the 4. So now that I've colored in 3 of the 4 parts, I've also shown a graphic of it rather than just knowing just the fraction. So let's look at another one. Now this one's a little bit different than I'm about to do. We have 2 separate boxes. So I'm going to use a mixed number of 1 and 3/4. Now yes, this can actually be an improper fraction also. But for right now, I'm going to just show it into these 2 bars. Now, it's still the same that the denominator tells me how many I need to split it up into each block. So it tells me 4. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? And then 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so with this, the actual 1, my whole number, tells me that 1 whole of those rectangles is colored in. So I'm going to go ahead and color in that one. Now, my numerator is telling me how many I need to color in. So I'm only going to color in 3. This gives me the representation of 1 and 3/4. It's 1 whole of the actual rectangle, one complete rectangle, and then 3/4, 3 of the 4 blocks in the second one. I hope everybody has a great time with this. If you have any questions, let me know. So this will be the end.